Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are excited to introduce Panther and Yellow, two powerful tools that make consultations easier and product onboarding a breeze. The integration of Panther and Yellow gives you a seamless experience, allowing you to manage appointments, track client progress, and streamline your services effortlessly. Whether you're a doctor, coach, fitness trainer, dietitian, or astrologer, this integration enhances your workflow, improves client interactions, and boosts productivity like never before. Get ready to elevate your practice. Panther simplifies your consultations while Yellow seamlessly manages your product onboarding. Together, they create a user-friendly experience for both professionals and clients. Now, let's explore how this powerful duo can transform your practice. In the world of telemedicine, efficiency is key. Panther makes telemedicine consultations a breeze, allowing you to connect with your patients seamlessly. At the same time, Yellow handles the onboarding of essential products like medicines and lab tests, so you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Picture managing your appointments and patient requirements effortlessly, all from one platform. How convenient is that? Next up is coaching. Panther handles your coaching sessions with ease, and Yellow supports onboarding with ebooks and paper resources. This means you can focus on helping your clients achieve their goals while Yellow manages all the materials they need. For fitness professionals, Panther manages your consultations smoothly. On the other hand, Yellow engages with clients by onboarding essential products like dumbbells and yoga mats. It's the perfect way to provide your clients with everything they need to succeed. For dietitians, providing top-notch service is essential, and that's where Panther and Yellow comes in. Panther streamlines your consultations, allowing you to focus on your client's needs. Meanwhile, Yellow simplifies the onboarding of diet plans and dietary supplements, ensuring you have everything you need to offer through nutritional support effortlessly. And for those in the astrology space, Panther facilitates effective consultations while Yellow supports onboarding with astrological charts and personalized reports. Your clients will appreciate the depth of insight you provide. Now, let's take a moment to show you what this looks like in action. Here's a quick video walkthrough of our integrated dashboard, where you can manage everything from appointments to product sales in real time.
Consultation Marketplace is integrated with Yellow Hyperlocal Marketplace. Take a simple use case. If you want to build a telemedicine platform, along with telemedicine platform, if you want to build medicine platform as well. So you will onboard doctors and patients on the platform. Doctors will create listings and patients will schedule appointment with the doctors. After the appointment is completed, doctors will write the prescription on the platform and patients will be able to see prescription in patient's panel. If patients wants to buy the medicines prescribed by the doctor from the platform, they will click on store option and different medical suppliers will be listed on the platform where customer can purchase the medicines from any merchant. Also, if doctor wants to create the pharmacy store, they can click on the store option from their panel and can create the catalog of the products they want to offer. Not only this, if you want to build tutoring consultation platform, you can set your ebook selling store. If you want to build a sport consultancy platform, you can sell sports equipments by creating your stores on the platform. Thank you.
Now, let's dive into the amazing benefits of using Panther and Yellow. Our platform is designed to make your life easier by combining appointment scheduling with product sales, so you can focus on what really matters, your clients. Imagine being able to manage everything from one place, boosting your revenue by selling products and creating an incredible experience for your clients, all with just a few clicks. What really makes Panther and Yellow shine is our super user-friendly interface and integrated dashboard. It's so simple to navigate, you'll feel like a pro in no time. You can customize features to match your unique business styles and needs. And with our built-in analytics, You'll get valuable insights into your appointments and sales trends, helping you make smarter decisions. Plus, you can rest easy knowing that your transactions are secure and your data is protected. So, in a nutshell, Panther and Yellow are here to revolutionize your consultation process and product onboarding. Whether you want to streamline your operations or delight your clients, we have got the perfect tools for you. Let's take your practice to the next level together. So, thank you folks for joining us today. If you have any questions or want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are here to help.